Welcome to Online Education 360. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to add 0 before numbers in MS Excel. If you have 2-digit, 4-digit or 5-digit employee ID and if you want to add 0 before numbers, suppose all the employee ID should be 5-digit. So how can I add 0 before every numbers automatically? If I want to add 0 manually, then if I click on this cell and putting 0 before the number, and then you will see the 0 is hidden. So what I have to do, I can easily select all these cells and click on right button and going to format cell, and if I click on text and click on OK, then you will see the number formatting is text. Now if I add 0 before numbers, then you will see the 0 is appeared. If I want 0 manually, then it is very difficult for me. So what is the automatic way? If I click on this cell and equal to 0 and click on this cell and clicking enter, and if I drag and drop it, then you will see the only 0 has been added before number. But I want to do all these cells with 5 digits. So what can I do? Now we are going to learn a new formula. The name is len, L-E-N, bracket start. If I click on this cell and closing the bracket and clicking enter, you will see here is 3 digit. If I drag and drop, you will see here is 2 digit, here is 4 digit, here is 4 digit. So what can I do using this formula? Here is another formula is equal to rept, starting the bracket, text is 0, comma 2, I will add 2 times 0, closing the bracket and this cell. If I click on enter, what will do? Then you will see that 2 times 0 has been added before this number. But I want to do automatically that every cell will be 5 digit. Here will be 30, here will be 20. So what is the procedure? So we are going to do this job automatically. So I am using a conditional function if is a logical function, if logical test, len selecting this cell is less than 5. If the value is true, what will happen? Rept, the formula rept, starting the bracket, text I want to fill with 0, 5 minus len, selecting this cell. So why I have used 5? Because I want to fill all the cells with 5 digit. Closing the bracket and again selecting this cells, comma this cell. So now if I want to understand this formula, you will see if length means we want to count the character of this cell is less than 5. If the character length of this cell is less than 5, what will happen? It will be subtract and then it will add 0 with this cells. So if I click on enter, you will see value of this cell is 5 digit. If I drag and drop it and then what is happened, then you will see all the values are 5 digit. If I copy all this cell and paste with paste special, you will see the all the cells value is 5 digit. I think you have understood this video, so please share this video with your friends and family.